I liked your speech very much because speaking about the purposes of the speech, I think that you fulfilled them. For example, your strong points was that your message was very clear. You wanted us to understand football fans and why they are so obsessed with football. I also liked that your speech was very well organized and prepared. You demonstrated a very good preparation and following of your plan. You sent it to me and you followed completely the points that you had in your plan. The opening and closing was very strong. And as for the closing of your speech, I liked it very much because you summarized everything that you wanted to tell us in your speech, and you summarized it in 2 or 3 sentences, so we have a very clear idea of what you wanted us to understand. And in your plan you had supporting points explaining why people are fond of football. And you transited smoothly from one point to another point, so the closing of your speech summarized the whole idea of your project. And as for the minuses of your project, I think that you should dedicate more attention to the eye contact, because while you were delivering your speech, you were looking at the wall or at the ceiling, and you should look more at the people in the audience. And also some of your body movements were the same, so you made just only one movement, and you should pay more attention to this so as to make your speech more exciting and easier for the audience to follow. And a little point, a little minus, is that while you were making the pauses, it seemed like you were remembering your speech. So you should also pay more attention to this. But in general, I think that you completely fulfilled the purposes of the project number 2. Thank you.